this for a spin. You know what, that thing is absolutely beautiful to ride. I am really happy with that. Anyway, I was going to start this video with the fact that it's scorching hot weather, but it seems I start every video like that because it's always scorching hot weather here at the moment. So the plan for today was to head down to one of the lakes that are close to us. We've got a few really nice, beautiful, big lakes that are pretty close by. But then Molly got a text from her brother David, who said he was going windsurfing. So he asked if we wanted to go meet him down at the surf beach. And that place is really nice. In fact, you might remember it from an earlier video. It was Bråviken. So hopefully it'll be really nice. And then we might do the lake tomorrow. You might notice from some of my videos that my clothes change sometimes. It's not a continuity error or anything like that. It's the fact that it's between 30 and 35 degrees here every day at the moment, and I've got an 8-month-old baby. So that combination of things means that I need to change my t-shirt about 4 times a day. So if you see me wearing different clothes, don't think that it's a weird continuity thing. It's more likely that I've just changed because I'm either sweating or I've got baby stuff on it. Yeah, hopefully it's going to be a nice day. So yeah, tag along. I'll see you in a bit. So this is one of the many things I love about living in this country. It's the fact that, generally speaking, no matter where you are, you're never far away from nature. And I mean like proper nature. If you look at the beauty of this lake, it's incredible. And I feel like it's this kind of thing that a lot of Swedish people can take for granted. You know, if you have this kind of place in your own backyard, it's easy to take it for granted. But I'm trying my hardest not to do that. I really appreciate being able to come out here and see these kind of places. And this isn't the only lake like this around us. Maybe we're a little bit luckier than most living where we do, but the truth is the nature in Sweden is really, really incredible. I mean, don't get me wrong, coming from England, I know there's fantastic nature in the UK as well. But I feel like places like this, you know, the lakes and stuff, it's so unique here. You know, I'm so grateful for the fact that I can just hop in the car and bring my family to a place like this, and it only takes, you know, 15-20 minutes or something like that. Like, I don't know how well the camera can pick up just how big this place is, but it's massive. Honestly, it's and it just seems to go on for miles. But yeah, I feel grateful. You know, I have to really try my hardest not to take this kind of thing for granted. So the plan for tomorrow is to head to a seaside town called Vadstena. It's a little bit strange because it's actually not at the seaside, it's actually inland from us, but it feels like a seaside town. It's situated on Sweden's second largest lake, which is called Vättern. It's home to one of Sweden's oldest castles, and I believe the first monastery ever built in Sweden was there. I've heard it's a really nice little seaside town, so that should be nice, yeah.